Have you ever seen the unexplained? Something you can't mention, like a flying dinosaur? The majestical beast that you can only see once every year. The flying and flying and flying. Oh, he's gone. Where'd he go? He disappeared too. Oh, there. No, it's gone. On Cooking with Chef Sam. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Chef Sam. Now, today, this might be the longest thing you'll ever see. I'm just kidding, it's probably like 5 minutes. But what we're doing is we're going to make some chocolate mousse. And so the ingredients for the chocolate mousse are, if I can get this to... the ingredients for it is, we have the agave, we have almonds, the almond extract, vanilla extract, cacao powder, and cocoa powder, and 2 good avocados.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So it's our dairy-free, extra chocolatey, no guilt. Gonna try extra avocados today. All right, we are gonna have some fun with avocados. Luckily, we have plenty to pick from. Excuse me, sir.
Who doesn't have fun with avocados?
Let's make sure they're green and not brown. So we're gonna pick around our avocados today.
Yes, you put it in a blender. The magical blender. We're gonna blend them up and make them crispy.
Yeah, we use our food processor.
Yes. Yes.
I swear, Chef Sam hasn't even had any yet, and he's already acting like he's had a pound of sugar. All right. So we
those avocados.
Scoop in the avocados.
You make the avocados, so you put them in.
All right, grab another one. They've been sitting in our fridge long enough, hence why we're doing this today.
Because what better else day to do it on a weekend?
Ha-ha! There's a good one.
Yes, we have a good avocado.
Yeah, baby.
That is what perfection used to look like. Now it looks like this. There's not much of a difference.
Yet. And this one, you can eat it after shoving it in the fridge and making it into pudding. I've actually used it as a filling for a chocolate silk pie before. But Chef Sam, what's your favorite way? Go ahead.
Just eat it just how it is.
No. How do you like it? What did you make the other day when you froze it?
Yeah, when you put it in the freezer for a while and just let it cool off and be hard, and then take it out of the freezer after a few days.
It turns into chocolate ice cream.
Ice cream is good. And good for you. Dun, dun, dun.
This one actually is good and good for you. All right, I'm going to take a little extra out of this guy to make up for the other one. All right. And then we'll come back to that later.
Avocado-ness.
So we've got our 2 avocados. You're going to pulse them for a little bit, Sam? Go ahead. Just hit the little pulse button.
And this is the new edition of Dancing with Avocados.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, hold that. And we're going to put in, we'll do it that way, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Actually, let's take that off. It's just easier. Your mom likes making a mess. I'm not exact. Sorry, guys. Yeah, well, that's going to have extra vanilla today. That's how we do this on this show.
Can never go wrong with lactose.
Alright. And I just made it last week. You'd think it would be available. There we go. And the almond extract. That one I am a little more careful because I'm not a huge
Almond?
It's okay. It can be a little bit almost too cherry flavory at the end.
It smells good though.
It does smell good. You do need to watch it though. And I do a 1/2 cup of the cocoa. And this one is Trader Joe's, so.
Trader Joe's, where you can find everything vegan.
Not quite, but you can get a good selection at a decent price. How's that sound? All right, and we like it extra chocolatey, so I throw in some cacao as well. We did that last time.
Cacao!
Because cacao. Very nice.
Yes.
There we go. I do about a quarter cup.
Cacao!
And they say to use a half a cup of the agave. That can make it a little too sweet for us. So we tend to do a third of a cup of the agave-ish. Right, Sam?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a huge agave fan, to be honest, but we don't like sugar, so we just do this instead.
You don't like sugar?
Not really, no. I get headaches. You know that. I can't do the sugar. You don't even get that much sugar. You know it. All right, Sam. What are you going to do? Do the magic.
I want to do a new edition of Dancing with Avocados. This time with friends. Okay, so we have the contestants of guacamole without any seasoning. And a whole bunch of other ingredients. Let's see who survives this round. If I can hold this correctly. Yes. And...
Don't break my food processor, please. Go ahead and put it on, please.
See, watch them dance! Wow, what a contestant!
Alright, can I give you this so I can scrape down the sides?
Turn off?
Yep.
Alright, I think it's a tie, because I think they form together.
I'm going to get some of the green off the side here.
No idea who wins this fight. Maybe next time on Dancing with Avocados.
Are you changing the name of your show?
No. you can't have subtitles and shows?
You can have themes, I guess. That's
There you
fine.
go.
Alright, you ready? Go ahead, Slam.
Oh, and another round of Dancing with Avocados.
Can you mix it?
Oh, looks like they're fusing together. That's science.
Let me see.
And I think we have a winner.
And there you go. There is your pudding.
And
it's
the
soon to be
winner
happy
is
child. I think it's you.
pudding.
I think the winner is you.
Yeah.
There you go. I'm going to give you this back while I spoon it in, okay? And yes, of course, you can have what's left. How does that sound?
Sounds good to me.
Okay. I know the question is, can I lick the bowl? Yes, you can.
I usually like licking the spoon better.
You can do that too.
Yay!
So we use these little, you can use glass, it's probably better, but we have this Tupperware because I shove it into the freezer or into the fridge, and really a little bit goes a long way on these. They satisfy your sweet tooth, honestly, and your chocolate craving,
Yay.
but your hips and everything else don't pay for it at the end of the day, so it's kind of a nice deal.
Yeah, probably they don't have money.
Oh, God. You are something else.
The bad jokes come free around here.
All the time. So 2 avocados will get you 4 little containers, and like I said,
and a good TV show.
And a good TV show. There you go. Nice big thing of chocolate pudding. And you can see it actually looks like thick chocolate pudding. It makes a great ice cream. I have no idea what you're doing there.
I put it on the
When you freeze it, and it really does make an awesome pie. Especially if you're going with a grain-free crust that is made out of the chocolate and nuts really works well.
Oops.
You really don't taste the avocado. I have no idea what you're doing, and I don't know that I want to.
I'm trying to add some seasoning on top.
Is that what that is? How much seasoning do you want with chocolate and avocado? It's already enough.
That's plenty.
Yep.
Alright, we have our seasoning of the day.
Which is, do I want to know? Yeah,
It is
these aren't the best balls.
dinosaurs.
The way they do it online is they put them in martini glasses and cover them in raspberries, which would make a nice little treat as well. So. There you go. Chocolate avocado pudding. That is way more chocolate than avocado. Oh yeah, it's actually really good. It is worth a try if you've not tried it before.
In the winter.
Don't knock it till you try it, honestly. But no dairy, so any of you that can't have the dairy, there is none, and it's pure chocolate, and it's going in the fridge. So,
no.
Say goodbye, Sam. That was the quickest Cooking with Chef Sam ever.
Ow, Sam.
All right, well, hold on. I guess we got to get Libby to have the official. You want to lick the spoon?
Well, whatever that device
Spatula.
is.
Yeah,
Spatula.
that's
Yay.
what it is. All right, that's for you. Is that a good yay or a bad yay?
It's a good yay.
It's all over your face. No. All right. There you go. 2 avocados, half a cup of cocoa, 1/4 cup of cacao, 1/3 of agave, 1½ teaspoons of the vanilla extract, and 1½ teaspoons of almond extract.
And the winning contestant of Dancing with Avocado.
And the winning contestant is
me.
Is it the pudding or is it you?
It's me.
Okay. All right. Say goodbye, Chef Sam.
Goodbye. See you next time.